Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. As always, thank you so much for joining me, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to use that subscribe button. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I make this cheesy pasta bake with chicken and bacon. Guys, this dish is absolutely delicious. It's easy to make, and I'm telling you, it's going to be one of your family favorites. Also, it makes a great leftovers. So why don't we begin on this delicious recipe? For this recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some fresh basil, onion, double cream, olive oil, garlic, Scotch bonnet. Feel free to omit the Scotch bonnet if you don't like spicy food. I have some diced chicken breast, pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. I have bacon lardons, plum tomatoes. You can also use chopped tomatoes, mixed bell peppers, cheddar cheese, and double Gloucester cheese. I will list everything in the description below. I am now going to season a chicken breast. I'll mix everything together, set this aside for later use. I am now going to chop the onions, garlic, mixed bell peppers, and the Scotch bonnet. I will set it aside for later use. To fry the chicken breast. To my wok, I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to allow the olive oil to come to heat before I add the chicken breast. As the oil has heated, I'm just going to add the chicken breast and fry this on medium heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of frying the chicken breast, time to add the bacon lardons. I'm going to continue frying for an additional 5 to 10 minutes until the chicken breast and the bacon lardon both have a nice golden crispy color to it. Next, I will set this aside for later use. I start cooking the pasta sauce, I'm just going to ensure that the pasta is also cooking. To my pot, I have added enough water. I've seasoned the water with a little bit of salt. I'm going to allow the water to come to a boil. Once the water has come to a boil, I'm just added my pasta, and I will cook the pasta according to the cooking instructions on the packaging. As the pasta is cooking away, time to begin on the sauce. To my wok, I've added a little bit more of olive oil. I'm now going in with my onions and garlic. I will saute this until it is nice and fragrant and translucent. Next, I will add the chilies. In goes the chilies. I'm just going to allow the chilies to just infuse with the oil, garlic and onion. As I mentioned before, if you don't like spicy food, please omit the chilies from this recipe. Time to add the tinned tomatoes. I am using plum tomatoes for this recipe. However, as a personal preference, I would normally use chopped tomatoes. If you have chopped tomatoes, feel free to use it. If you have plum tomatoes, feel free to use the plum tomatoes also. The plum tomatoes are quite big, so I'm just using my spoon to break it up to get the tomatoes into more of a chopped tomato consistency. After breaking up the tomatoes, this is what it looks like. I am now going to add my seasonings and allow the sauce to continue simmering on low to medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And 15 minutes later, time to add the basil and the diced bell peppers. Just look at the beautiful colors this sauce has, and it smells amazing. I'm just going to add the chicken and the bacon. I'll mix everything together and the sauce is practically ready for the pasta. Guys, please don't forget to taste and adjust your seasonings as needed. The pasta is ready. I'm just going to drain the excess water using my strainer and add the pasta to the sauce. I am just added the pasta to the sauce. I'm going to mix everything together and ensure that each pasta shell is well coated in the sauce. Guys, as I was doing this step, I remembered I completely forgot to add the double cream to my sauce. If you're going to add the double cream, please add it at the stage after adding all the seasonings. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. I'm just excited. I cannot wait to eat. Now this is where the real excitement begins. Just add enough cheese to the pasta. Mix everything together. You can add as much cheese as you want. This is really down to you and how cheesy you want this pasta bake to be. I'm going to transfer the pasta to my oven-proof baking dish. Next, I will add more cheese, then the pasta will be ready for the oven. I've added enough cheese to my satisfaction. Now time to bake this in the oven at 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until all the cheese has melted and it is golden brown. And the pasta bake is ready. Just look at this golden caramel color from the cheese. It has melted to perfection. I cannot wait to tuck in because this smells so good. As always guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye.